So we've got the Alorair HD55. This unit is pretty small. It's a 19.2 long by 12.2 wide, and it's 13.2 high. And it weighs roughly about 60 pounds. It's like 57 pounds, so it's not too heavy. Let's pull this guy out. They got it packaged nicely. So it comes with some hose here, some clear hose. We've got the filters on the side over here, and the filter's a MERV 8 rated filter. You could just slide it out, real easy to clean, and put it back in. I like that feature. Here's your exhaust vent coming out the side over here. Your control panel is right here. It does say that it does Wi-Fi. You have a control wire in here. It's a Cat 5 connection for your optional wired digital remote control that you could mount upstairs in your house. If you have this under the house, you can monitor to see what the temp is and what the humidity is as well. Really nice feature, so you don't have to constantly crawl underneath. This is where it plugs in. It doesn't come with that wiring, that's sold separately, but we have that in our house on another unit, and it works exceptionally well. And then the tube is over here. It's a quick tube, quick connect. You just slide this guy right on there like so, and you don't really have to put a clamp on it because it has some teeth on there that grab this hose once you stick it on, and run the hose out to where you're going to drain it. It's really nice. It's got these handles up here on the top to where you can pick it up and set it. It isn't very heavy, and it comes with a cord. It's already wired. Looks like it's about 10 feet of cord, and it does 1,300 square foot, this particular unit. It's 57.3 pounds, and it has auto restart, auto defrosting, a quick connector for the drain tube, which we showed you, and auto diagnosis system. And the filter is really nice because it's easy to clean, easy to access, and it's a really nice unit. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned. We're going to show you how we're going to install it.